Trying to figure out your Swiss banking options? Specifically, can you open a Neon account if you don't live in Switzerland? Let's get straight to the facts. The short answer is generally no. Neon is a digital bank designed for residents of Switzerland. Their key requirement for opening an account is having a permanent residence in Switzerland, a Swiss domicile. For foreigners, there are specific additional requirements. You typically need to be a Swiss resident and have a valid foreigner's permit, specifically a B or C permit. You also need to be a tax resident exclusively in Switzerland. This is a strict rule that can rule out many cross-border commuters or people with tax obligations in other countries. For example, American citizens are currently excluded due to complex regulations. So, if you're a non-resident, unfortunately, a Neon account likely isn't an option for you right now. But don't give up. If you're a non-resident needing a Swiss account, other Swiss banks or neobanks might have different rules for non-residents or cross-border commuters. You'll need to compare their specific requirements, as they can vary greatly, often involving extra fees or different account types. Always check the most current eligibility criteria directly on Neon's official website or FAQ, as banking rules can change. If you plan to move to Switzerland and meet the residency requirements, then Neon becomes an excellent, low-fee option to consider.